Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where we celebrate everything about the greatest cars ever made. Today we are going to explore the stunning Ferrari F8 Tributo. Let's dive into this beautiful red 488 successor. The Ferrari F8 Tributo, or the Ferrari 488 successor, is a mid-front engine V8, rear-wheel drive, a two-door two-seater coupe that made its debut in 2019 as a 2020 model. The Tributo name pays tribute to Ferrari's amazing history of powerful V8 engines. The F8 Tributo was created to deliver even more extraordinary performance and driving pleasure than the already impressive 488 GTB. In terms of pricing, when it was launched in 2019, the F8 Tributo had a starting price of $322,000 in the United States. However, due to inflation and market conditions, the price of any new car today has skyrocketed. You could expect the price of an F8 Tribute to range somewhere between $350,000 to $400,000 today. Of course, prices will vary depending on the condition, mileage, and optional features of each vehicle. When we talk about the design of the Ferrari F8 Tributo, it's hard not to be impressed by its sleek, aggressive, and eye-catching appearance. Many critics and car enthusiasts alike consider it to be one of the best-looking modern Ferraris ever made. One of the key elements of its design is the active rear wing, which helps improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The wing automatically deploys at higher speeds or when cornering hard, providing additional grip and control. This results in improved handling and braking performance, making it easier for the driver to control the car while pushing it to the limit. The F8 Tributo comes equipped with a powerful 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an impressive 710 horsepower. This engine is shared with the 488 GTB, but the Tributo benefits from a number of upgrades that make it even more responsive and powerful. These upgrades include a new intake system, a more efficient exhaust system, and revised engine mapping. As a result, the F8 Tributo accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and has a top track speed of over 215 miles per hour. Another impressive feature of the F8 Tributo is its 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides smooth and lightning-fast gear changes. This transmission is designed to handle the immense power of the engine and ensure that the car delivers optimal performance in all driving conditions. In terms of fuel economy, the F8 Tributo is rated to achieve 15 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. However, these figures are estimates and actual fuel consumption may vary depending on driving habits and conditions. The interior of the F8 Tributo is just as impressive as its exterior. It features a driver-focused cockpit with a minimalist approach to controls and displays. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the cabin is finished with high-quality materials such as Alcantara and carbon fiber. The car also comes equipped with a premium sound system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a navigation system for added convenience and entertainment. Now let's get into the details. The F8 Tributo's exterior is painted in a beautiful Rosso Corsa red, which is a nod to Ferrari's racing heritage. The car's front end features a large intake that feeds air to the engine and is flanked by LED headlights that give the car a mean look. The side view shows off the car's muscular haunches and sculpted lines, while the rear view highlights the active rear wing and quad exhaust pipes. The wheels are 20 inches in diameter and wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 tires. The brake calipers are painted in red and are a striking contrast against the black brake discs. Under the hood, the F8 Tributo packs a punch with its 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and produces 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. The car has a top track speed of 215 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The F8 Tributo has a number of impressive features that set it apart from other supercars. Overall, the F8 Tributo is an exceptional supercar that combines raw power, advanced engineering, and stunning design. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a collector, the F8 Tributo is sure to impress. If you're in the market for a new supercar, then the F8 Tributo is definitely worth considering. Ferrari offers in-house financing options through Ferrari Financial Services, which can provide customers with flexible loan terms and financing options tailored to their needs. In addition, Ferrari dealers often have relationships with various banks and financial institutions that offer financing for luxury vehicles such as the F8 Trabuto. Customers can also explore other financing options, including leasing or personal loans from external lenders. Depending on the financing option chosen, customers may need to provide documentation such as proof of income, credit history, and vehicle trade-in value. The financing process typically involves an application, credit check, and approval, after which the customer can finalize the purchase and take delivery of their new F8 Trabuto. It's important to note that financing a luxury vehicle such as the F8 Trabuto is a significant financial commitment, and customers should carefully consider the costs involved, including the purchase price, interest rates, loan term, and any additional fees or charges before making a decision. If you're fortunate enough to own an F8 Trabuto, proper maintenance is crucial to keep this high-performance machine in top condition. Here's a breakdown of essential maintenance tasks and approximate costs for the Ferrari F8 Trabuto. Remember, these figures are estimates and actual costs may vary based on location and service center. Regular oil changes are vital for the health of any engine. For the F8 Trabuto, it's recommended to change the engine oil and filter every 5,000 miles or at least once a year. This should cost approximately $300 to $500. Tire rotations and wheel alignments are crucial to maintain handling, traction, and safety. Since the F8 Trabuto has high-performance tires, rotations and alignments should be done according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This could cost between $200 to $300. If you're lucky enough to own a Ferrari F8 Trabuto, congratulations. By the way, here's a fun fact. The name Trabuto means tribute in Italian. It pays homage to Ferrari's rich heritage of powerful V8 engines. We would love to hear your thoughts on the Ferrari F8 Trabuto. Do you think it's worth the hefty price tag? Which feature impresses you the most? Please let us know in the comments below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about this beautiful red Ferrari F8 Trabuto. If you love cars as much as we do, stay tuned for more amazing car videos coming soon. As always, if you love everything about great cars, please support our work by liking and subscribing.